Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to make money online. There are many different ways to do this, but today I'm going to share a few of the most popular and practical methods. Method 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online because it allows you to work on your own terms and choose projects that you're interested in. There are many different freelance jobs available, such as writing, editing, programming, design, and marketing. To get started with freelancing, you can create a profile on a freelance marketplace like Upwork or Fiverr. You can also search for freelance jobs on job boards like Indeed and LinkedIn. Example: if you're a good writer, you could freelance as a writer and create content for blogs, websites, and businesses. You could also freelance as an editor and proofread articles and other written materials. Method 2. Starting a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is another great way to make money online. If you can create engaging and informative videos, you can attract a large audience and monetize your channel through advertising. To start a YouTube channel, all you need is a Google account and a camera. Once you have created your channel, you can start uploading videos. Be sure to optimize your videos for search and promote them on social media. Example: if you're passionate about cooking, you could start a YouTube channel where you share recipes and cooking tips. You could also start a YouTube channel where you teach people how to do something you're good at, such as playing an instrument or speaking a foreign language. Method 3. Starting a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a type of e-commerce business where you sell products without having to carry any inventory. When a customer places an order, you simply contact the supplier and they will ship the product directly to the customer. To start a dropshipping business, you'll need to create an online store and choose a dropshipping supplier. There are many different dropshipping suppliers available, such as Oberlo and Spocket. Example: if you're interested in fashion, you could start a dropshipping business where you sell clothing and accessories. You could also start a dropshipping business where you sell electronics or home goods. Here are a few tips for making money online. Choose a method that you're interested in and that you have some skills or experience in. Be consistent and persistent. It takes time and effort to build a successful online business. Promote your work on social media and other online platforms. Provide excellent customer service. Making money online is possible, but it's not easy. It takes hard work and dedication. But if you're willing to put in the effort, you can be successful.